Good Saturday morning, everybody. It's been a while since I've been on the tube. Um, we're just taking a look at the midwinter disaster here. Well, not really disaster. That winter garden there is doing okay. I got a thermometer in there, and it's registering about minus 1.6 on the coldest days. So that's not enough to kill spinach or lettuce or anything. Next year, we're going to have. I'm probably going to put cabbage in there and spinach and other cold weather varieties of lettuce. But if it doesn't get below minus like 1, 2, it's not going to hurt anything. That's Celsius, of course. So I've been adding compost here. Well, obviously to the compost bin, but I've also been scattering coffee grounds right here on the bed here. This is the cantaloupe bed garden. It's going to be a little different this year. I think I'm going to have like trellises and stuff and build it up, and I got to clear up that tree there. It's a bit of a mess. I'm going to take care of that before it gets out of hand, starts hitting wires. And these pots are going to be utilized this year. I got 2 of them. I'm going to use them to grow far north cantaloupe and Minnesota midget. And I have a couple more over here that I might also do the same. Smaller variety of watermelon maybe. I didn't have much success in the bucket last year. I found it was just drying out. I didn't have enough peat in it. A few other things, mistakes I made. I'm learning from them. And of course the old tobacco plant here. I don't know if I should take some of these little stems. I don't know if they're any good after they're frozen or not, but I'm gonna take one for the hell of it. There's tobacco seed in there. It's I don't keep it, I don't dry it or nothing. It's purely for aesthetics. I could care less about tobacco. I don't smoke, and most of my friends don't either. It's everybody's got their vice, so I'm not judging anybody. You can see I put compost directly into the garden back there. That's a watermelon garden. That's 10 by 200 feet. I'm going to grow mostly icebox watermelon, but I do have a couple of whoppers that I grow for the school where I work at, for the cooking class, and I will give them a couple like I did last year. I got a couple of Florida Giants there, 37.5 pounds and 38.7 pounds. They were whoppers for sure, they were. So anyway, that's what's going on. I'm alive. I hope you guys are all doing well. Harold, I hope you're doing well. I hope you get your garden set up this year. And everybody else, I hope you're doing well. I know that the English gardeners out on the allotments are going to start planting their onions soon if they haven't already. So I'm going to be looking into that today. I just want to say hello to those guys, everybody out there. And we'll check this greenhouse maybe another day. I don't feel like I'm sweeping it. That snow is like insulation for it, and it keeps the temperature from getting too low. And then that way, the lettuce and all that stuff doesn't die off. And we'll open it up on a nice February day where the sun is shining and the temperature in there is about 20 degrees. We're getting there near the end of January. Today's January 25th, I believe, Saturday. So you can see I left some of the garden stuff right here. Anyhow, I'm going to let you go for now, guys. And don't forget about the valuable composting you can do over the winter. Take your coffee grounds out, put it in here. Cardboard. I had some Mystery Keeper tomatoes that I kept. And I have one that made it this far. One of the mistakes I made is I didn't pick them before they got touched by the frost a little bit. So next year I'll be on that. And the other mistake I made about them is I stored them in this place that got below zero. And it froze them. And that's why they ended up in here for composting. So anyway, I found some seed. I'm not going to grow as many tomatoes this year, or peppers. I'm going to concentrate on the melons and the tobacco plants, and just for aesthetics, to make it look nice here. So anyway, that's the update. I'm well. I hope everybody else is too. Take care, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you. Probably in a couple weeks I'll do another update. Maybe we'll start, I don't know, onions or something. I'll look over in the allotment and see what's going on. Have a wonderful Saturday, guys. Take care, everybody.